Welcome. In front of me is the Air 2 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, before I get started, I'm going to mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. And to do that, we first need to just turn off the device, so I'm going to hold the power button and select power off. This will obviously shut off the device, and once that happens fully, which we want to flip it over, you can see the lights. Wait for the lights to turn off. There we go. So once the lights turn off, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. This will take us to boot mode first, which is this menu right here, and you can see this tiny little arrow right here. When you press volume up, you can see it move down, counterintuitively obviously. You want to have it jump all the way to the top, like it just did right now, and once it does so, press volume down. What we just selected is the recovery mode. Now let's give it a moment, and it should take us either to recovery mode right away or to this page. If you see this page, start holding power button and then press volume up once, and this will then redirect us to the recovery mode. And then here, using volume buttons, now we can use both of them to navigate. We want to start going down, so I'm going to press volume down several times in order to select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it using your power button, and then select factory data reset again, confirm that. At the bottom, it will tell you that it's formatting data, and then we'll have data wipe complete in a moment. Come on. Usually takes very quickly to do that. Anyway, once you have that, you can see reboot system now is selected by default. So just press power button once again. This will initiate a reboot and continue resetting the device in the background. Now this will take about 1 to 2 minutes to finish up or so, give or take, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.